Imbangela yokudlula emhlabeni kwaleli iphoyisa ebelisesikhundleni esiphezulu liphenywa amaphoyisa kanti beliyinhloko ebhekele kulwisana nobugebengu obuhleliwe esifundazweni Free State. Obrigadier Mkhawulisi ubesechithe iminyaka engama-31 ophikweni lwe-SABC.
I think the passing on of the investigating officer in this matter is not going to impact negatively on the investigations. However, it will retard progress. Remember that there's a speed at which we are expecting this matter to be expedited.
U-advocate umliti ukholwa ukuthi ukudlula emhlabeni kaMkhawulisi kuzoba nomthelelo ongatheni ukubambezela uphenyo eqaleni likaThabo Bester.
The investigation team will have to go back and check for the suitable replacement for this investigating officer who has since passed on. So it will retard progress, but at the ultimate end, he will be replaced by one competent investigating officer, and ultimately we will achieve or we will arrive at the desired outcome.
Umndeni waleli phoyisa ucele ukungaxinwa njengoba usesemanzini.